triple R organic traffic in the last 6 months has been in going to old blog posts that we wrote 1 to 4 years ago and just rewriting that post with new updated information, not even like going to Google and writing all the keywords that now we're trying to rank for, just rewriting that post to be more useful, add about 500 to 1,500 words, and then republishing it with the current publish date. Zoom, we've seen triple, quadruple organic traffic from each of those posts right after we're doing it. And it's like the thing that I recommend people do the fastest if you have been blogging in the past. So what are some of your go-to recommendations?
Yeah, I think that's a great one for sure. And I think like in general, just changing your mindset of like, once you publish something on the web, it doesn't have to be what you published forever. Like you can update it whenever you want, basically. So don't think that once it's out there, like you can never change it. Like there's always opportunity. So if you do publish something and it's not ranking well, you can update it or enhance it or optimize it for different keywords or do whatever you need to do. I think that's a really valuable thing that we see is working right now, and especially because there's so much content that has been historically published. It's just helpful now to kind of go back and refresh and knowing what we know now, and as the algorithm changes and also like the competition of content that's out there changes, it's important to keep updated. I would say also beyond just like the basic keyword optimization strategy is sort of thinking about your content and your website in terms of sort of like clusters or topics. And so this is something that Josh and I have talked about a little bit in the past, but basically the way that Google is moving is that they're trying to not just understand if you are authoritative about a single keyword, but about a range of keywords that all relate to a specific topic. So going back to the sales reporting example, right? Like, so it may be that somebody who's looking for sales reporting is also interested in sales forecasting and other topics related to that. And so the more sort of topical authority that you can consolidate around those key areas, the more authority Google will give you for sort of all those pages that relate to those topics.